Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are also playing Minecraft today, and I did some world exploration in this bonded village where I jumped out of a tree. Yeah, and took my first damage, and I was doing some exploration, like it's a bonded village. I don't know, I just did some exploration and finally settled in this house where I saw my zombie friend. And I called him to hang out, but he tried to kill me with his friend, so I killed him. And the morning they finally died. So I went out and collected the rotten flesh, and a arrow just went right beside me, and this skeleton, and I thought this skeleton should not be in this world after doing me like that. So I inspected the arrow, and I saw that the both skeletons were fighting with each other and one was targeting me. So I thought I should kill this bad guy. So as soon as I went out, it shooted arrow at me and I missed it just in luck. So I don't know what to do, but I went outside and killed it. And after doing some day 2 explorations, we finally found our chest and got stuck in a cobweb. Yeah, and wait. Yes, I am using a mod where we get OP loot from every chest that we open. So that's why I got iron leggings, chest plate, and 8 iron with a stone axe. Don't worry, this is just a mod which I am using for fun. So after wasting my 2 minutes on breaking that cobweb, I finally went out and did some more exploration, if you will. But I found this group of triplets, and that boy came near me, and I don't know why I killed him, but see, he died in one shot. I'm like One Punch Man. He died in just one shot. I don't know why I killed him, but he died in one shot. And I found this nice little home for me to settle in. And I also found a chest which is in level 2 right now. Every chest upgrades to level 2 after opening the first chest, and it can contain diamonds, as it contained 8 diamonds, 2 emeralds, and a spyglass, which I don't know how to use, and a poppy. So I found out how to use a spyglass, and this is the first time for me to use a spyglass because I never played Minecraft 1.17 upgrade. So yeah, and I went outside and saw this guy swimming in the swimming pool, but I didn't want to disturb him, so I just got out of there. And yeah, how did this chest get in there? I don't know why. I think the mod creator did a coding mistake, or it is a bug glitch. I don't know why, but I think it is in level 3. Yeah, and level 3 chests can contain so much enchanted books, netherite also. So as soon as I opened this chest, I found 64 bottles of enchanting, a diamond pickaxe, and an enchanted apple. And I was like, oh my god, I'm so overpowered right now. And I tried to enchant a pickaxe with looting 3. I don't know why I did that. I have been playing Minecraft for so long and I tried to enchant a stone axe with looting 3 which does not work. So after some time I named my axe Swiper. I don't know why I did that, but it sounded funny, so I did that, and I named my pickaxe Donk. D-O-N-K, Donk. That also does not sound funny, but it sounded funny to me. So I took my anvil and took this saw machine. What is this called again? Saw machine. I don't know. I can't remember anything. I don't know the names of any blocks. And we found another chest where we found an ice cream sandwich, a lot of apples, 2 potatoes. And that's all I found in this chest, because I don't know why it didn't upgrade to like level 4. But it's like the mod creator didn't upgrade it. But I can also tell you the seed of this game where you can get the mod and the seed of this abandoned village with OP loot. So comment down below if I should give you the seed of this world. So after some after some village exploration, I one punched man this villager. I don't know why, but they're all dying in one shot to my stone axe. And I was playing with my spyglass. I didn't know what I was doing right there, but it seemed like fun, so I was playing with it like for fun, and 2 minutes of this video were wasted. And then finally after so many ages, I found a chest. Yay! And I went to open the chest and see what is inside of it. Basically, these library houses don't contain chests, but I don't know why it has a chest in it. But it's level 4 and it contains netherite. Yo, really, netherite ingot and that copper with fortune 3 and a netherite sword. I don't know why, because I am getting so much overpowered with this mod. I don't think I should use this in the episode 2 of this 100 days series, but yeah, I will. And I really like this house. I don't know why, because this house helped me a lot finding 8 diamonds. So I placed my anvil there and removed it, and I am just showing you my netherite sword with fortune 3 and my pickaxe with fortune 3. And I tested it on a sheep and it gave me 4 mutton and 1 piece of wool. How rude is that? It's looting 3, man. You can give me 3 wool and 4 mutton. Why you are that like stingy? I don't know why. And I remodeled this house and removed the cobwebs and placed this door, an oak door, and I played with it for a while, and after some time I went to harvest these potatoes and carrots, which I thought to do it later, but I think I should do it now, because even if I run out of food I will die. So I harvested them and I named them. You will see, wait. I named my carrots Break My Teeth. I thought break my feet, but I changed my mind to break my teeth. And my potatoes to break my bones. I don't know why I did that. It sounds so stupid. But I did that because it sounded funny for me, and I stored all my valuables in this chest. And when I found this pig, I think I should make him into bacon. You know? Yeah. Then I extracted the pig with this carrot, and he was not coming inside of my house. I don't know why. And I realized that because the door was stopping the pig, and I attracted the pig inside, and as soon as I wanted to place the cobblestone, it ran out, and I attracted him inside again. I named him Twix and locked him inside of my house. This is the end, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.